gonna take you to do absolutely nothing me in Singapore today.
So, Singapore. I feel that this city somehow defies all logic. First of all, the fact that they have no natural resources, yet it's one of the richest places on the earth. No chewing gum is allowed unless you have a doctor's note. And don't even think about streaking unless you fancy a hefty fine. If you enjoy walking around naked in your house, in your hotel room, with your curtains down, then this is absolutely not the place for you, because this is a crime and you would be fined very much for it. Hey friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Tinyari in real life, and today I will be flying from Thailand to Singapore, and I intend to take you with me, so let's get on board. It would be a total disservice to not mention how quick the electronic check-in in Thailand was, as well as in Singapore actually. So that took me less than 1 minute to check in. I flew Thai Airways, and in my opinion, the service and experience was nothing short of amazing. It was a little bit late when I finally got to the hotel, so that beautiful sunset is all I could show for it before getting ready to have dinner at Clarke Quay, which is a vibrant riverside area known for its bustling nightlife and diverse dining options. We chose to dine at Achilli crab. This is like a must-try Singaporean dish. I'm not sure if it's Singaporean, but this was doctor's recommendation. Good morning! So the next day began with the usual, a proper sweat out at the gym and then breakfast before going to Siloso beach. It's gonna be my first time ever visiting a beach in Singapore, so I'm super excited. And then later we will ride on the cable cars. It's worth mentioning that it's the monsoon season in Singapore at the moment, so it's unusually cold, but by cold it's not freezing cold, it's just a little bit colder than usual and a little bit less humid, so I think that's perfect beach weather if you ask me.
City lights shine bright in the night full of life. We walk through the crowd, lost in the sound, dream aloud. Together we roam free, hand in hand, just you and me. Heartbeat, sing to the beat, feel the rhythm move our feet. Under the stars, dancing high with the moon in our eyes, lost in time, you and I. City lights come alive, alive. Whispers in
the studio, Sentosa Resort.
Must be very beautiful to drive here at night.
Oh, yeah, night time is free one. Unless you take out the monorail out, and walk there.
walking at the corner, dressed up like a body was. What's expecting you, but this teenagers are flying around.
Okay, Mr. Siloso,
Tú mi mejor apuesta, perdido en la salida. El borde de tu falda era mi punto de partida. Descontrolo si me miras en tu mina y maravillas. Minándome la estrategia sutilmente ya caía.
Put it on me like James doesn't exist. That the first time I didn't see you so
just when you thought the views couldn't get any better, Sentosa had one more gem, the cable car ride. We're taking a train to the cable cars, and if there's a better way to see the island, I haven't found it yet.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you don't find cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow. You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you don't find cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow.
I'm deadly scared of heights, so excuse my jumpy demeanor on this footage. There's a variety of journeys offered, so we took the 1-hour ride, unparalleled panoramic views of the city and Sentosa Island, which would take us about 1 hour. The tickets are reasonably priced, with around trip Sky Pass costing about 35 Singapore dollars for adults and 25 Singapore dollars for children. There's some trips and tickets worth $19 and some worth up to $100, which is for the Sky Up cabin, which has a glass bottom floor, so you're able to see the view beneath your feet. We, however, took the regular cabin with windows that offer you an expansive 360 degrees views of the cityscape, the harbor, and the coastline.
Oh my god. Looks extremely nice.
Y ahora cómo justifico que ya no te me escapas y que solo son tus besos los que quiero en mi cama. Fue raro conocerte y más rara nuestra historia. Todo eran trabas hasta que entramos en órbita. Suave y con paciencia, ese era el lema. Me enseñaste que ir corriendo contigo era un problema. Me tuve que adaptar y tampoco sé muy bien cómo en mi cabeza te metiste hasta el 100. La musa se había ido, ya no quedaban palabras, solo recordaba los momentos que me daba. Ha vuelto con un cuadro de tu imagen bajo el brazo, pidiéndome perdón por haber tardado tanto. Sin escatimar medidas tomo el tiempo necesario. Sabía que era básico volver con algo claro y que estaba en buena búsqueda de un lienzo y buenos trazos y un pincel que aguantara reflejar todo tu encanto. Reflejar todo tu encanto. Y ahora cómo justifico tu encanto. Y ahora cómo justifico.
Wow, your camera is very clear at night. I'm gonna take you to do absolutely nothing with me in Singapore today. I'm going to be checking out places close to where I live. This is my outfit. It's a bit warm outside, but as you can tell, the flu got to me and I sound ridiculous. So yeah, let's do this. They call it monsoon. It's a monsoon weather. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside, try to find a geometrical set. See you inside.
Forever, so live your life like it's the last day. Stay up all night like it's the greatest show. Love your life like it's the last day. Like it's the end of the world.
If you're a dark-skinned girl traveling in Asia, do yourself a favor and head out straight to Sephora for all your skincare needs, because finding foundation shades that don't make me look ashy or like I lost a bet, struggle. But obviously Sephora gets.
I'm not sure, guys. What do you think? Is this like, it looks really natural. I love it. This is Fenty. I tried Anastasia on this side.
I tried out a few shades. I'm talking Fenty and so on. So if you ever find yourself in this part of the world wondering where to stock up on is your skin tone, this is one of
I don't
those.
find a HDMI cable. We plan to watch a movie tonight, but the hotel television is not smart. Okay, so it's kind of like complicated because these guys don't have like small stores, or at least I see everything as super posh. I'm trying not to say like a lot because normally I say a lot of like. So I'm working on that. It means that you do not have enough vocabulary, they say. So means that we need to work on having enough vocabulary. I found this store, Moje. I bought a water bottle here last week. Let me show you. Really pretty. Let's see if we can find a HDMI cable here. Although I feel like I'm pushing it a bit because it's like, it's really cool. Oh, check me out. So the current hotel gives us free rides. I'm not sure if it's around the city, but this place seems to be very strategic. So just show this place. It's called Iron Mall or Liat Tower or Willow. So yeah, it comes on like some given times. So right now I'm waiting for it to go back. I found the HDMI. It was a bit of a hassle. So in case you're wondering like how affordable Singapore is, so this is a regular HDMI cable, and it costed me. Do you say costed or it cost me? I'm not sure. It cost me 11 Singapore dollar, right? So like a regular meal, I ate at Food Republic one time, and I will attach this meal cost me $7. Restaurants are like dining experience. A regular meal will cost about $24. So basically a dinner of two, if you want to also have drinks, would mean we're talking about 200 Singapore dollar. So you can do your math and your conversions, and then you can see what you call affordable. I wouldn't say everything is quite quality. I think that's what I'm trying to say. So have that in mind for my van, and then I'll go back to the hotel. Hopefully I finish this edit for this video because ooh la la, it's been taking me forever. I tried this thing. I mean, it's because it's Friday, so I can get away with it, but I was loving it before. I'm loving it now also. So yeah, I'll talk to you later, and pray for me, guys. In other news, if you're a creator, feel a bit lost, you might want to check out Achilli by Julia Cameron. I've been reading this and I'm obsessed. Actually, I'm only like a few pages in, but I have already started doing the morning pages, and just like everybody calls it, it's a movement and swooped in. Okay, adios. Okay, and there is my pickup. It's really cool that they give us free rides. Okay.
I have to mention that I think Asian people are very hospitable. Thailand has to be the nicest hospitable people I have met yet, but I also think that Singaporeans may appear standoffish, but they do know how to treat their guests. Alright, I'm back to the hotel. I'm gonna spend the rest of the evening shooting some user-generated content for a client, and honestly the rain fell. I was a bit worried about that, but then it had to be the best thing because the shots came out super clear. Something about that soft drizzle that makes everything look so aesthetic, so I hope this client thinks the same. Woke up feeling motivated and I made it to the gym. The rain was still doing its thing, making my ride there extra cinematic. I highly recommend a rainy day gym sessions for the vibes alone. Lunch was a rerun of last night German restaurant because when I find a good spot, I'm loyal. German food, round 2.
Very, very thin. So that's very nice because it's not too much bread. Okay. And then, yeah, it's a German restaurant place.